The Thulba Valley Bridge, an impressive structure spanning a total length of 460 meters and reaching a maximum height of 55 meters. Responsible for delivering this ambitious project is the Hörnig Construction Company.
The construction company, Hörnig Baugesellschaft, is always trying to find a better way to build constructions.
A key element to improve the construction of this steel composite bridge is PERI's innovative VarioKit composite track system. It is replacing heavy and bulky traditional carriages.
The superstructure of the bridge will be manufactured as a steel composite structure. An advantage is the elimination of overhead construction, which means we can work freely to produce the superstructure. All obstacles in the concrete slab are eliminated. We can use one vibrating beam to level the surface in high quality. The bridge can be manufactured in higher quality and still faster. We are really looking forward to relaxed concrete slab production.
Faster construction and unmatched quality for the Thulba Valley Bridge. Made possible by PERI's VarioKit composite track system and the expertise of Hörnig. Together.